Welcome to Cashbag Online, where money speaks. In today's digital age, the allure of making money online, especially as an influencer, captivates many. The first step on this journey is to identify your niche, which is crucial in attracting an audience. Whether it's fashion, beauty, travel, or tech, having a specific focus allows you to build a community around shared interests. This clear definition creates opportunities for partnerships and sponsorships that align with your brand, drawing brands to you. Building your social media presence is your next move. Create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Utilize platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, where visual appeal and authenticity reign supreme. By posting consistently and engaging with your followers through comments and direct messages, you cultivate a loyal fan base. Additionally, storytelling is a powerful tool. Share your experiences and passions, and even behind-the-scenes glimpses into your life, as this creates a deeper connection. Once you have established a solid online presence, explore various monetization avenues. Affiliate marketing is a popular method among influencers. By promoting products and sharing unique affiliate links, you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Collaborating with brands on sponsored posts is another lucrative option. Businesses are often willing to pay influencers to showcase their products to your audience, creating a win-win scenario. Beyond traditional monetization strategies, you can also consider creating your own products or services. This could be anything from merchandise related to your brand, ebooks, online courses, or even consulting services in your field of expertise. Making use of platforms that allow easy setup of online stores or courses can amplify your earnings. Networking with other influencers and brands is essential for growth. Attend events, join online communities, and engage with peers and potential collaborators. Building these relationships can open doors for partnerships and collaborations that can enhance your reach and credibility. Remember, authenticity is key to long-term success. Your audience appreciates transparency and honesty. Stay true to your values and only promote products and services you genuinely believe in. This trust-building aspect will lead to a more engaged audience and ultimately, more earnings. With dedication and creativity, making money online as an influencer is not just a dream, but a feasible reality.